Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unblock downloads in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can configure everything from your home page to privacy controls. The settings page is your central hub for customizing how Chrome operates and handles different types of content. Once you're on the settings page, look at the left sidebar where you'll see several categories. Click on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the important controls related to how Chrome protects your data and manages potentially risky content, including download restrictions. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see multiple options. Click on Security to access Chrome's protective features. This is where Chrome manages its safe browsing technology and determines how it handles potentially harmful downloads and websites. Now you'll see different security level options. Click the radio button next to No Protection. This option disables Chrome's safe browsing feature, which is what sometimes blocks downloads it considers suspicious. A warning message will appear letting you know about the risks of turning off this protection. After selecting No Protection, a confirmation dialog will pop up. Click Turn Off to confirm that you want to proceed. Keep in mind that while this allows downloads to go through more freely, you should be cautious about what you're downloading since Chrome won't be actively scanning files for threats anymore. Next, navigate back to Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. We need to adjust one more setting to ensure downloads work smoothly without interruption. From the Privacy and Security section, click on Site Settings. This area lets you control what permissions websites have, including their ability to download files to your computer automatically. Scroll down within Site Settings until you find Additional Permissions. Click on it to expand more advanced permission options that aren't part of the main categories. Within Additional Permissions, locate and click on Automatic Downloads. This setting specifically controls whether websites can download multiple files at once without asking for permission each time. Finally, click the radio button next to Sites Can Ask to automatically download multiple files. This setting allows websites to request permission to download multiple files consecutively, which is especially useful when you're downloading batches of files or using download managers. And that's it. You've successfully configured Chrome to be less restrictive with downloads. Your browser will now allow downloads to proceed more freely and won't block them as aggressively. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.